Sorry for background noise. It's probably my pet birds. Yes, I have pets. So yeah, right now I am doing the speed paint for Liema the cat. She just got 100 subs, and I mean, I'm very proud of her. I feel like a proud mother. I'm very proud of her. It must be really hard to earn that much subs, but yeah, I am very proud of her. I mean, not many people get subs that easily. Some people do, some people don't. So I'm doing this for her, cause yeah. So congratulations, Liema the cat, for earning 100 subs. And yes, my footage stopped working when I was filming this, when I was drawing this. But yeah, this is for Liema the cat. Sorry if you hear any background noise. My sister is watching something, I don't know what it is. I think it's probably just like a comment up something. But congratulations, Liema the cat, for earning 100 subs. It must be congratulations, and I think yes, you should sub to her. You should sub to her. She has smooth and better animations than me. She has a perfect voice. She just did her voice reveal for her 100 subs. I think you should go and subscribe to her. So yeah, bye guys.